Hi guys, I am getting ready. I'm going to be shooting and I thought I should show you guys my skincare routine because I did put it on my weekly vlog and you guys wanted me to show you. So I have just came out of the shower. This is how my face is looking. Probably like not the best day to be doing skincare because I've got this little friend here and I did pick my spots, which I never do. But I don't care, I'm gonna still show you guys. I love to go in with this microfiber. This is from Alias Skin. I love this. I usually use this to like remove my makeup as well as wash it. So it is currently damp and I'm just dampening my face before I go in with my cleanser. The cleanser I've been using is this from Fresh. It's soy face cleanser. It is incredible. I tried the travel size before then buying this one. Actually, I did get gifted this one, which was amazing because I was going to buy anyway. My face brush stopped working, so I was going to replace it, but actually I've stopped. I'm not going to be using a face brush unless I find like one that's really soft. I just like going in now with the microfiber towel, just so that it's not too abrasive to the skin. And long time using brushes, it does wear your skin barrier down. So I've just kind of, I guess it happened in a good way. I'm kind of like stopped. But I'm just massaging this in and then I'm going to take it off using the microfiber towel. I like going in twice again and just making sure nothing is left on my face. Before I start with the face, I love putting this. This is the Milk Makeup lip tint. It is in color, oh, I have no, Quickie, yeah. I just love putting this on my lips. I know my lips are gonna get dry, so it's gonna, this basically colors your lips. I find my lips like being really like gray. So I like putting this on to just make it less gray. And then I have been loving Laneige lip mask. I use it every day. It's not a lip mask for me, it's more like a lip balm. And I just, it's like a lip sleeping mask. You're meant to put this when you go to sleep, but I don't do that. If I wasn't shooting, because I'm going to shoot like literally in a few minutes, I would put these, this is the Murad eye masks. I love this to just wake me up in the morning, but I'm going to skip this step today because I actually need to go to shoot. I just go in now with the Murad serum. This is the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Put a little, goes a long way. This smells divine. You guys, every time I apply this, I'm like, you want to apply more, but don't do that. Next, I'm going to go in with this Ren Glow Daily Vitamin C. We all need vitamin in our face, body, everywhere. So with everything, I like to just go in and put a little amount because I do put quite a lot of product. Then I love this to wake me up. This is the Ren Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, and a little goes a long way. And I like to just dab. I love using two toners. So this one is the Ginger Shot. It's the Bright Spot Tonic toner. I love to put it on these lovely spots, and this one, I know this is gonna go black, so I'm just gonna put it on that, and I have, I think, one there. I don't put it under my eyes. Do not put it under your eyes. And then I love this Ren. This is the Ready Steady Glow Daily Tonic. Love this. In no particular order, I am going to start with this, but usually no particular order. I just now go in and I put little amount on my spot. And here, I do have another one here, so I'm gonna put that on. Now with the Ready Steady Glow Daily Tonic, I'm just going to go over my whole face. This just helps with the imbalance of oil. I have, to be honest, it's a glow tonic. It does put a bit of moisture on my face, but it also helps my imbalance of oil because I do have oily, I have a combination skin. I wouldn't say it's oily, but it just helps reduce the oil. And nowhere near the eyes with this as well. And I'm just tapping it in. I have a few moisturizers. I have this one from RoC. It's the Multi Correction cream gel. I love this for under makeup. And I also love using this Ren Barrier Support Elixir. This one is a good one. This is oil. And then I have this Clinique Moisture Surge. I love using the oil when I'm not wearing any makeup. When I'm wearing makeup, I don't use the oil. And I love using this, the RoC, when I'm wearing makeup, together with this one. It's either this one or this one. So I think the Moisture Surge is amazing. So I'm gonna go with this for today. And I put a little amount. To complete everything, I put SPF last. I love going in with this RoC or Murad or Charlotte Tilbury. I left my Charlotte Tilbury SPF at my friend's, so today I'm gonna go in with this RoC. That is my skincare done, but to finish off, I like to go in with this Glow Eyebrow Serum. So I like to just add this to my brows to help them grow. I have the world's thinnest eyebrows, and I also have one for eyelashes. These are both from iGlow. I think you can get the pair for like a discounted price. So that is my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys want me to show you my PM, because it's completely different. But yeah, those are my everyday products that I love to use on my skin and to keep my skin how it is. I know I have visitors on my face, but that's usually how my skin is. I mean, not like this. That's what I usually use on my skin. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and we'll see you guys on my next video.